Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today, let's discuss how to generate distance chart or DNA chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, variables are divided into two parts. One, the dimension, and second is a measure. Dimensions are the categorical variables and measures are continuous variable. To create a distance chart or DNA chart, we will require at present one measure and one dimension. So we will select sales from here and drop it into the columns. We'll pick up subcategory from here and drop it into the rows. I'll activate the entire view from here. Now I'll pick up the profit from here and drop it. See, I'll drop the profit in on the x-axis. Drop it. Now I'll select the measure name from here and drop it on the color. Now I want to create two charts from this. So with the help of measure value, we'll be able to create two charts. Press Ctrl Shift and drag the measure value nearer to this. You can see here with the help of Ctrl Shift, release it. And you can see two different charts have came into the existence. Now click here and convert this into the dual axis. So you will get the dots. Now you are having marks for measure value 1, similarly measure value 2. So keep this on circle only. Keep this circle only. Increase the size a little bit. And in the second measure, convert this to line. Now select the measure name from here and drop it into the path. And you can see the distance or a DNA chart is ready. So in case of binders, the profit is $30,222 and sales is $2,03,413. More the distance, it means that the sales are more, profits are less. So in case of chairs, the sales are very high, but profit is very low. Less the distance means profits and sales are nearer to each other. Now, if I want to include one more dimension, I'll pick up segment from here and drop it here. So now I can do the analysis according to the segment also. So in segment and according to the subcategory, which are the businesses which are doing good or no or bad. Basically, the distance between the two dots should be less so that we can say that the sales and profit are nearer to each other. If the distance is more, it will have a meaning that sales are more and the profits are less. So this is all about DNA chart or a distance chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.